Hi there. I've always had that improving the page speed should never be the primary goal of an SEO team and must never be optimized at the expense of the user experience. However, when it comes to embedding Google Maps right into your website, this may be seen differently. This is because it slows your site down by a lot. Seemingly, Google Maps has unfortunately little respect for your Lighthouse score, one iframe and various JavaScript files and style sheets are injected by Google, all blocking the rendering of the page. It can be even worse if you load Google Maps box on your home page, which is the most important page of the website. So let's see how all of these JavaScript files are loaded here. We go to inspect network and we reload. And please count with me how many JavaScript files are loaded from Google Maps. So Maps just static, Maps Google APIs, Maps. I can even count how many of them are loaded here. And all of them are consuming or taken from the, the load of the page or the time load of the page. So how can we fix this? We can actually use one simple trick, which is to put an image of this Google Maps viewport, then link to it or link to the Google Maps from that image. So how can we actually take a screenshot of this? We go once again to inspect and we look for the iframe of this Google Maps. And here it is. Just right click on it and click on capture node screenshot. And the image is downloaded here. So here is the image. Now we want to add this image to our WordPress and link to the Google Maps URL. So I go to my WordPress website. I'm gonna delete this Google Maps, this embedded Google Maps, and add an image. Upload the last image. Here it is. And now we want to link to. Uh, let's go to my beautiful country and link to this garden here. Take the link, and here we delete this one and we add our Google Maps URL. I should do one extra thing, which is to open a new tab and update. Now it's updated. Now we go back to our incognito tab and we reload. Now, actually, you must optimize this image before uploading it to your WordPress website and do some crossing or cropping here and take rid of this. Now, if we click on that image, we go directly to the Google Maps of our business or our enterprise here. And let's see now how these elements are loaded. We go to network, reload, and you can see that we get rid of those JavaScript files. None of them are loaded here. Only this image. This image is loaded here, and as I said, you should optimize it. And here is how you can fix this issue, which is making your website loaded slowly by a lot. I'm gonna show you two websites here. One of them is using this trick. Here is their maps here. It's a simple image. Once you click on it, you open up the Google Maps. Okay, but I think they have over optimized this image. Yes, they have over optimized that image. Let me see that. Hmm, where it is? Where did it go? Oh, what is going on here? Inspect. We'll look for that image. Let me copy this, please. Network image. Oh, oh. Okay, let me do it once again. Bear with me, please. It's not very important. Just want to make sure that how did they optimize this image? Why? Okay, okay. Network. We look for that image. Here it is. Looking for this image, for this image, for this. No, and here it is. It's only 11 kilobytes. Hmm. They are surely obsessed about optimizing their website. Another example here is this the Soft Hope Canada. Now they have embedded the Google Maps right here, but they are smart because they have lazy loaded this Google Maps. If we go to inspect and we reload here, we go to JavaScript, you can see that no JavaScript are loaded from. Uh, what's wrong? Let's reload. Go to network, JavaScript, and you can see that no JavaScript files are loaded from Google Maps. This is because they have lazily loading them. Now, once I go there, I scroll down, I interact with the website, the maps script are loaded. If you go to the iframe here, you can see that they have lazily loading them. Iframe loading lazy of this Google Maps. And if you insist on, or the client insists on embedding the Google Maps right onto their homepage or onto their web page, you can lazily load this Google Maps. And thank you for watching and see you in the next video.